Have you ever wished you could create on-brand scroll-stopping images for your social media, for your blog post, for your YouTube thumbnails? Well, believe it or not, you can, and ChatGPT makes it easier than ever. I'm going to show you how by using an amazing skill that we've created that actually looks at your content and creates scroll-stopping images. Let's take a look and show you how it works. All right, so I'm in ChatGPT, and we can certainly just give it a prompt and have it work well. I'll share that prompt with you. It's absolutely amazing, and I want you to take a look at that. I'm going to give you a prompt to do that, but if you're a member of our AI Insiders group, I'm also going to give you this skill, and you can use this every time on a repeatable basis. It makes it so simple. So you can see I'm here in ChatGPT. This, by the way, works best with ChatGPT, will work in Gemini, but works far better here. You can use it with Claude as well if you link it into graphics tools, but we're going to show you how to use it in ChatGPT. It candidly does the best job. I'm going to enable my skill, and you can see I brought it up here, the scroll stopping billboard designer. It's not actually creating a billboard, but that's all right. And what we're going to do is we're going to have it create text for us. So let's go ahead and create maybe a thumbnail for a blog post. I'm going to go out to my blog here. Let's go ahead and grab one of my recent posts, and we'll create an updated image based on that post. So here we go. I'm going to go into my blog, and we pull up the blog, and here we go. How do I stop running out of content ideas and turn one idea into a week of posts? So I'm literally going to just take this entire article, so full blog post, grab the whole thing. We're going to go back over here, and I'm going to say, please create a 16 by 9 featured image for this blog post. Now, you do have to specify if you want a specific aspect ratio like I did. So I know the aspect ratio I want. For social media, you're generally going to use a 1:1 or a 4:5, maybe a 3:4. In blog posts and YouTube thumbnails, you're generally going to use a 16 by 9. So that's what I've specified. Now, the other thing that I'm going to do is I want to specify a character to use. And you can do that with any image that you've got, however it is that you want to put in place. I'm going to pop out to Midjourney real quick, and I'm going to grab one of my trademarked kind of cartoon style characters that we've got. So let's go ahead and grab this minor photo here. I kind of like this one. So we're going to go ahead and take that image. I'm just going to copy that real quick. And then I'm going to move back over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste that in. You notice it's attached to my blog post, and it's attached to the image. And then we're just going to say, use the likeness of the attached character. That's it. That way we can tell it to make sure we do that. And we're going to say go. Now, it will take just a minute. ChatGPT doesn't turn these images around in seconds, but it won't take much more than a minute or two. And you're going to see we're going to get an amazing image that's set up to be everything relevant that we need for this featured image. So I'm going to pause the screen so you don't have to wait, and watch when we come back. It's going to be amazing. All right, and for me, that took about a minute and a half. For you, it didn't take but a couple seconds. As you saw, I paused the video here. So you can see, just like that, I've got this amazing graphic. Look at this. This is incredible. I love this. So it's built out. It used the character. It read my post. It pulled the context in, and it did exactly what I look at that. Record once, publish everywhere. I love that. Stop running out of ideas. Turn one idea into a week of posts, and it grabbed all the social media icons. This is, I'm telling you, this is amazing. So I'm going to share below in the video, I'm going to share the prompt that you can use to use this. If you're in our AI Insiders members, I'm going to share you the skill that you can upload and use this on a repeated basis. If you got any questions, let me know. This, in my mind, is a way to create just amazing scroll stopping images, and I hope it adds value to you as well.